Ideal replacement. This engine cooling fan assembly was precision engineered to match the fit and performance of the stock radiator fan assembly on specific vehicles. Complete package. Assembly is designed with the same materials and components as the original part. Quality assured. Motors are tested in laboratory settings to ensure performance. Cost-effective and reliable, trustworthy manufacturing for far less than same part at the dealership. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This engine cooling fan assembly is precision engineered to match the fit and performance of the stock radiator fan on specific vehicle years, makes and models. It has been rigorously tested to ensure it cools as effectively as the original part. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Exact replacement for factor stock cooling fan. This was an exact replacement for my son's Toyota Corolla. After a small fender bender, the front end was pushed in and damaged the cooling fat. This unit was ordered and fit perfectly as a replacement. It continues to work as expected and encountered zero issues. Goodbye.